Greetings, fellow travellers. Paul here down on the coast near Port Elliot, between Port Elliot and Victor Harbour. And I'm here this afternoon to wait patiently for the Cockle Train to go by so that I can get a shot of it on my camera and put it on my channel, because a lot of people like to see the steam trains in action. Now, patience is a virtue. You should possess it if you can, my mother used to teach me. Often found in women, but seldom in a man. However, one of the gifts of the Holy Spirit is patience. And the beautiful gifts of the Spirit are love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, gentleness, self-control. And I'm just believing God's going to give me the patience. I know that God is going to give me that patience to wait for the train coming along here in about 5 or maybe 10 minutes time. In the meantime, I can just soak up His beautiful creation. Well, here it comes. Here it comes. I better get my camera turned on. It's sneaking up on us quietly now. I'll get the camera and I'll follow it. Here comes the Cockle Train, steaming up the track. The Puffin Billy. Yes. Here it comes. I can hear it. Had to wait for the whistle.
Yeah.
So there you are. We were well rewarded waiting for the train. And what a delight it was. You have a great day.